In the third video of this project management series, we'll learn how the Power Drive team of James, Ryan, and Mario collaborate on the drivetrain project to complete a task with a CAD deliverable. James, the material engineer, opens the steel project task from his collaborative task widget. Instead of using email, James adds a message in the chat tab for Ryan. Discussions stay linked to the task for history and traceability. Ryan, the project manager, opens the steel task under the material development phase and reviews the new information from James. Because the new requirements from James are design-related, Ryan will create a specific subtask under Hub and Spindle in the part design phase. He creates a subtask called Hub Material Change 4430. Ryan adds the CAD as a deliverable and assigns Mario. Attaching a CAD deliverable is helpful for Mario for two reasons. First, it eliminates the time spent looking for data. Second, having the data already attached reduces the risk of creating duplicates. The new subtask must be finished before the steel task is promoted to the complete state. Ryan creates a dependency. Then, Mario receives a notification in his Outlook inbox. He selects the hyperlink, which opens the task directly in his 3D dashboard. Mario views the instructions. From the Product Structure Editor widget, he reserves the CAD. Mario opens the SOLIDWORKS data directly from 3DEXPERIENCE using the SOLIDWORKS connector. Mario follows the instructions and makes the material change. The icons in the 3DEXPERIENCE panel will change once Mario saves the modified hub data back into 3DEXPERIENCE. From Mario's collaborative task widget, he completes the task. He doesn't need to track down Ryan or James. Switching back to Ryan's 3D dashboard, he sees the Hub Material Change 4430 task is complete. Notice, the schedule view and the Gantt table view are linked in real time. You have just learned how Ryan, James, and Mario collaborate in 3DEXPERIENCE to complete a task that includes a CAD design deliverable. In the next video, we'll learn how the Power Drive team completes a project tollgate.